In 1980, His Holiness Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche moved solely by the intention to benefit sentient beings by preserving and promoting the teachings and practices of the Buddhadharma, established a sanctuary, school, and residence for students in the Larung Valley of Sertar County, Garze Prefecture, Sichuan Province, China. Nestled in a valley within 4,000-meter-high Qinghai-Tibet Plateau mountain range, Larung Gar 5 Sciences Buddhist Academy is comprised mainly of small red huts, most of which were hand-built by residents. From the air, the area appears like a brilliant red lotus emerging in full blossom from a snow-covered region. The center of the valley is occupied by teaching halls and a golden-winged statue of a Garuda, a legendary protector of the Buddha, depicted as a giant bird grasping in its mouth a snake, used representing people or other forces that seek to harm or obstruct teaching of the Dharma.